Okay, it is a big weekend, and we've been talking about this forecast for a long time. I hope you're prepared for it. I know a lot of folks at the coast are saying, well, where is it? Again, we anticipate this is going to really develop and be really impactful at coastal locations on Sunday and Monday. I think you're going to start to feel it at the coast a little bit tomorrow, but inland, we felt it yesterday, feeling it more right now, and increasingly so over the weekend. Let's take you out to Avila Beach. This is a look at our camera there. And again, I highly recommend you go to ksby.com, check out these cameras, make sure you know the water temperature, beach conditions, and see if there's a spot for you to be on the beach safely over this upcoming weekend. We have a lot of cameras positioned around the area at ksby.com. They're free to check out. 105 right now in Paso Robles and 99 in Atascadero, but just 76 in San Luis, 72 Santa Maria, 64 Pismo and Lompoc, 81 in Goleta. We have 84 for us in Santa Ynez and 76 in Santa Barbara. You can see the winds are onshore. And again, we're going to see some pretty significant changes to wind flow over the next few days. So here we go. The satellite radar is also showing us some of the advisories, and that is the excessive heat warning for the Central Coast, Saturday and Sunday, could be increased to Monday as well. The interior, Monday is already included, could be extended if the heat doesn't break. And it's not just here, it's the entire region, including parts of Nevada and Arizona, where you would expect it to be hot. It'll be excessively hot. That's really the key. So San Luis Obispo in the hourly forecast, you can find many more of these on the KSBY weather app. Again, another big recommendation from me for you over the weekend. You can see temperatures into the 90s, mid 90s there. Paso Robles, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, could be close to 110 degrees with a little bit of southwest flow late in the day. That's a cooling breeze, but the thing is, high pressure is going to be so dominant, it could shut that down. In Morro Bay, we're looking at lower 70s. In Lompoc, middle 70s. So some marine influence, some return flow from the northwest in the afternoon. Pismo Beach into the mid 70s. And again, these are the toughest calls at the beach and on Saturday, because on Sunday, it's more offshore. And the question all weekend long will be just how effective will the marine layer be. In Goleta, we're looking at lower 90s. In Arroyo Grande, you're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s with northwest winds. And again, the advice, it's common sense advice, but it's interesting. It always happens. Somebody doesn't follow it and gets in trouble. So limit outdoor activities. Make sure you hydrate yourself. Avoid alcohol if you can. Light colored clothing. Wear sunscreen during this heat wave. And here it is. The microclimate model shows the big factor here. The marine cloud deck tries to get going over the weekend and just can't. Another potential headline here is later Sunday into Monday. Look at the winds across Santa Barbara County. 20 to 40 mile per hour winds, maybe even stronger sundowner as we go Sunday into Monday with extended heat and those kind of winds, dry winds. Fire threat could be major. 94 Orlando tomorrow, 79 in Chicago, 89 Dallas, 98 in Denver. So central section of the country is actually fairly mild. 98 San Diego, 102 in Sacramento. And there's the big ridge of high pressure, that big red arc over the West Coast. And you can see even when it breaks down, it doesn't break down completely. So that's why temperatures remain above average in the extended forecast. Mid 80s, Santa Maria, Lompoc, Santa Barbara, the South Coast near 100, 110 in Paso, 95 San Luis, 102 Santa Ynez. 5 cities temperatures, upper 70s and low 80s. Even at some of the beaches, 80 already on deck for Saturday. Sunday looks a good chunk warmer, and Monday looks to be fairly level. And that really doesn't even matter where you're at. This is a hot forecast, and that's why there are region-wide warnings. Richard?